Welcome to Thermo Fisher Scientific, your trusted partner in innovative chemical solutions.
So Thermo Fisher has a vast array of different products, and the custom and bulk team can help provide these in larger quantities than you would receive through the catalogue.
We look to work with our customers to develop what they need to work with either in their production or laboratory workflows. That could be through more QC testing, that could be through custom packaging, it could be through custom labelling, but really digging into exactly what our customers need and finding a solution that works well for them.
Through using the custom chemical service, the customer is able to request the exact specification that they need for their product. They are able to work with us if the product they receive do not meet specification, and they are able to get the exact quantities needed, whether it's micrograms or large scale.
We offer a range of 10 litre up to 1,000 litres, and the smaller containers, the 10 litres and 30 litres, tend to go into laboratories and research establishments. We have a 17 litre range which goes into the academic industry. A lot of universities use that one, and then we're moving up really to the 200 litre and 1,000 litre containers, which are used by our customers in production processes.
With something like the returnable drums programme, you can remove all of the waste of glass and also packaging and replace it with one simple container. When partnering with our custom and bulk chemical services team, not only do you have access to the experience and expertise within our team, you will also have access to the much broader family within Thermo Fisher, where you have an even deeper and greater understanding of biopharma, pharmaceutical applications, life science, food, environmental and clinical expertise as well.
At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we simplify your path to success. Our unparalleled range of products and services bring innovations within your reach.
Let us be your partner in turning research into reality. Contact us today to discover how we can streamline your transition from bench to production.